G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to PTT Outdoors. We're at Beraking shelter. Let's go and have a look around, shall we? The shelter is a wooden one. Really nice. I prefer these to the rammed dirt. And looking at it, it's big enough for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12 at a squeeze. Maybe a bit more if you don't mind cuddling up. We have the usual rake or brush up there for keeping the place clean and tidy, even though some people haven't been able to again. We've got up there an old mat, an old self-inflating mat. It's a laminated map. Proper tin can on the lids. It's disgusting. Please, if you come in here and you bring anything with you, remember the saying, leave no trace, or what you bring in you carry out. We've got a fair size picnic bench. And we've got another one out here. One of my favourites, this one, is for the views and just being able to relax. There's a fire ring with a couple of large logs to sit around. Remember, fire season goes from the 1st of December until, or non-fire season goes from the 1st of December until the 31st of March unless it's extended. So there's no fires over that period. It's saying here, this shelter 2005 a wildfire burnt through 28,000 hectares of the Perth Hills forest. So that's what it looked like after the fire went through. It's all been rebuilt since. Another picnic bench down here. Not an official, but this is a nice little spot to pitch your tent. And that's your view you get. It's just lovely. And the official picnic sites, or picnic sites, what I'm saying, the official camp pitches are up here. So no matter where you walk here, it's just beautiful. It's trying to rain today, as you can see in the distance there, and it's dripping down on my head now. And this pitch, if I remember, was good for a hammock. So it looks like it's not anymore. Well, yeah, a bit wide now. This tree here. But the actual tent pitch, fairly level, normal pea gravelish. And most of these sites are, if you're going to look at, or this one, if you're going to look at an average size hiker's tent, you could probably fit 2 on there easy, maybe squeeze a 3rd one in. Another one over here, not so level. Yeah, be sliding down the hill on that one. Fairly level one here, quite nice. Big enough for a squeeze for 2 average hiking tents, one comfortably. Did you miss one out on this side? I think I did. Let's go back a little bit. There's a nice little tent pitch there. Big enough for 1 comfortably. I don't think you'd be able to squeeze 2 on that one. Nice little flat spot there, you could put one on. We've just gone over. So the rain's getting heavier. There's another one up there, I think. Let's go and have a look. Yes, there's a nice little one here. It's about the best out of the lot so far. Level, not big enough for two, but big enough for one comfortable. Got any room up here for one? Or any designated pitches? No designated. I'm sure you could fit one there, quite comfortable. No, that's it. There's no more that I can see from here. There's some decent trees up here for hammocks. Fairly decently spaced apart. There's mine underneath some of the native bush. There's some over there. Toilet, that's over this way, the dunny. I don't know if you can see it there in the distance. The toilets at the shelters on the Bibbulmun track are composting toilets. They're not flushing, they're not chemical. They're also known as long drop. You can only put the toilet tissue down these. I shall damage the composting. So no chemicals, because that will destroy the composting. And ladies, if it's that time of the month, you have to take them home with you. And wet wipes, you cannot put them down these toilets either, because that will destroy the composting. So it's a nice little, not too far away from the shelter and the tent pitches over there. Not like Wally where you got to walk a hell of a long way to get to. And there's the toilet. And please remember to leave the lid down to help stop the smells and help protect the animals. You don't want any of the actual wildlife falling down there. Toilet roll isn't necessarily supplied, but you get your trail angels and everyone. We'll leave some here every now and then, but always remember to carry your own just in case there isn't any. And that's it. That's the Beraking shelter. Oh, water tanks. We have 2 water tanks. Getting a little bit of a tickle of water at the moment with it raining. But always remember, be sparing with the water, because it's only rainwater that fills these tanks up. There's no taps, or no plumbing should I say, running off from the streets, because as you can see you're in the middle of nowhere and it's beautiful. But just use what you need and no more, because people could rely on that, or suffering from dehydration or anything at all. Think of other people. So that's the Beraking shelter. It's a lovely shelter and a lovely spot. So if you've enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell next to it and select all. Click the thumbs up button, the like button. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much. So until next time, get out there, have some fun, and take care.